GANS production experiment, magnetic gravitational interactions. So in the previous video I made the assumption that, actually in all the previous videos I made the assumption that the spaces in the water that were lacking color were showing visual interactions, and I revised that conclusion, and I have decided that the parts that are filled with color are the ones that are actually interacting, being that they're GANS. Makes more sense. So I described it in a wrong way, and that is a more accurate representation of that GANS interaction with this tub, being as the lack of lines there, I thought I was getting no interaction, but the concentration of GANS in there is having such a strong reaction, but so that there is nothing but color there, bringing almost a lack of the lines, or I should say the lack of area filled with GANS. There's such a strong attraction there that it is attracting so much GANS, the lines are not visible. And my previous assumption that I had two plasma fields, one here and one here, I revised that as well. In looking at the whole thing, I came to the conclusion that the concentrations of the GANS on the edges, and it's continuously about the same concentration on the edge, tells me that my actual center is the center of the tub, and it is telling me that because I'm assuming the positive and the negative represent gravitational and the other magnetical, because I can see there we go, you can see the small striations, whoops, I touched the water, in here that represent one side of the field, and then on the other side the aminos and whatnot are making it hard to see, but you can see how we get bolder lines here versus the thin striated ones on the other side, and here as well. And obviously it's not the lines that we're looking at, it's the concentrations of color that more accurately represent the GANS. But the core is the center of the plasma in this case, and its lines are representing how its fields are going out and interacting with the rest of its environment, and its fields extend well past the tub, but the GANS can't go past the tub, and so thus the concentration on the outside. And that would also explain the bold continuous color of GANS in the middle of the tub and the lines going around it. That is the core of the plasma. Thanks.